Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox a package we received from Amazon sale in September 2024. Look at the packaging. This is something new that we have seen. This, it says Amazon story boxes. So on the packaging now they have started to include the stories of the people probably who are working at Amazon. I guess what's written here, Mageshwari Process Assistant Fulfillment Center. So they are also helping people with jobs, people lower middle class and poor. They have created job opportunities for them. So that is what the packaging also has now. So we are now going to unbox. We have two items here. One is the remote cover and the other one is the humidifier. Humidifier we'll unbox later, but for now we have our remote cover. I was just excited to receive this. The price of this is $1,000, $9.99. The fluorescent color attracts me, so let us just open this up. You can see, a new way of sealing the package. There is this colorful sticker here. Let's open that. Oh man, that was hard. All right. Look at this beauty. Right, let's get our remote and let's put our remote controller, TV's remote controller, the Sony TV's remote control into this. So this is of the same size. The previous one we got for our Samsung TV did not fit. So this time I wanted to be sure of this, hence I'm just measuring it, keeping next to the remote. So let's open this cover. My TV is probably about 1 or 2 years old. See, that's how I maintain my things. Right, let's clean all this dust. See, with my remote. And how do we put this inside? Okay, I'm not sure about that. How do we do it? Yeah, here it is. I guess we gotta push this in from this side. अच्छा ऐसे घुसाना पड़ता है. Okay, इसको देखो यार, सब बढ़िया. Wow, man, it looks cool. A perfect fit. This is what I was expecting, man. Makes me feel happy. The fluorescent cover of the remote controller. I could have bought other colors, but this looks, I mostly watch TV in the dark and I wanted it to glow. That's why I got this. Right, let's switch on my TV. And here we go. I got a remote controller and I got a 55 inches TV. This was the unboxing of the case for my 55-inch Sony TV's remote controller. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.